Bradley Schroebner here on a Thursday, little Thursday thunder going for you. Can you hear the birds in the background? They are a-chirping. Hey, it's Thursday. Today, ready? We've got 3 methods, 3 philosophies, 3 methodology systems for you to get the thing done. To get it started, get it done. Ready? You've got do it yourself, you've got done with you, and you have done for you. Now, I'm out here with Pepper. There's Pepper. He's getting impatient already, and I'm barely at 30 seconds here. So I've got to get this thing rolling because he's very much a done with you kind of guy. Although he is very much a do it yourself kind of guy too. You just let him out here and he's happy as can be. I'm more a done with you kind of guy. I like doing things in teams. I feel it's not the easiest way. Done for you is probably the easiest, right? Ready? Here we go. Do it yourself, done with you, done for you. Okay? Now, I'm going to take my treasure map, for example. If you go to treasure.repossible.com, you'll see what I'm talking about. After literally 10 years, this is kind of weird, but I figured out that I have a system. I always joked, if you know me, I talk about how I don't have a system, I don't have structure, and yet I secretly did. And that's probably how I got things done. And on that note, let's jump right into that because that's do it yourself, right? So for many years, I've been doing it myself. And I've had a system. And the system is the process, is the ritual, is the habit, right? I write a lot about habits. So for example, I'm right here. It's Thursday. I'm doing a less than 10-minute YouTube video. I've been doing this for 3 years. Daily, weekly, monthly. Daily, weekly, monthly, kind of annually, but more really daily, weekly, monthly. And if I just adhere to that schedule, I'm done, right? So do it yourself. It's really, in my opinion, it's really about a schedule and sticking to it and making it doable, right? Like my daily is a short. I want to create a short. Recently, it's short video. Previously, it was writing a post, like a chapter, but a post. And I wrote. Then I broke my finger, and then I started video, which I'm really happy about. And now I'm doing a daily short. You can go to my YouTube channel. Well, you're probably on my YouTube channel, but if not, youtube.com/@repossible, right? That's the YouTube channel. So you'll see I do daily shorts. They're super easy. They can take me as little as 15 seconds, right? And so I'm daily creating. And if that sounds treacherous or difficult or like, whoa, I can't do that, let me give you a little secret. A lot of this is practice. A lot of this is the ritual. The practice, remember, it's not practice makes perfect. Practice is perfect. Practice is the perfection. So doing the thing helps you get the thing done. I know that sounds really simple. And you know what? It is, right? Practice is perfect. So that's do it yourself. There's a scheduling, there's a ritual, there's also, this is my office, right? I'm in the woods. This is where I think most clearly. This is where, like if I tried to do this video behind a computer in an office or something, I don't know, it just wouldn't be the same. It's not my flow zone. It's not my happy place, right? This is my happy place. So this is where I really get it done. And this is where, in my opinion, from me anyway, the good stuff comes out. So find your zone of genius. Find your literally physical like place where you really shine. And it's effortless and it's fun and it's easy. Like me doing videos, like if I'm inside all day, I forget I'm supposed to do that. So here I am doing it myself. Of course, and again, this is coming from a pantser, not a plotter, but a pantser. I fly by the seat of my pants. And there's a gardener and the architect. I'm definitely a gardener. I like throw seeds and see what blossoms. And that's my favorite way to create. I love that. But I also absolutely admire and even envy the architects because they have a plan, they have a route, they've got a blueprint. They know they know the house they're gonna build because they've got it all in their blueprint, right? They're gonna do it. That's odd, we have a helicopter coming over. Don't have that very often. Sorry for the noise there. So, that's do it yourself. And there are some definite tips to doing it yourself, the ritual, the schedule, the system. Okay? That's do it yourself. Done with you, like in a group together as a team, there's also a few tips you can use. So for example, if you go to treasure.repossible.com, I'm offering all three of these things. There's a do-it-yourself version, there's a done-with-you version, and there's even a done-for-you version. So the done-with-you version, this is the sweet spot. This is where things get awesome, because I think we're better together. I think we are exponentially better together. It's not just, oh, it's 1 + 1 is 2. No, I really think it's like, it's even 3 to the third power, right? Which would be 27. And so it's not just 3 times 3 is 9, or 3 + 3 is 6, but 3 to the third power is 27. So 3 and then 9 and then 27, that's where the real magic happens in doing it together. So how do you find a group? How do you find out who you like to be with? How do you find who you work well with, or what schedules? And so I would advise first doing the do-it-yourself, kind of figuring out your rhythm, figuring out your creative, your roadmap or calendar, working on that, getting that down, and then go to a group and say, I work like this, or I'm best like that, right? It would help to know your, shout out to Nicolene here, your human design, right? How are you wired? How do you get things done? Is it on your own? Is it like early in the morning? Are you late at night? Are you batch process? You want to do 10 things in one day and then do nothing for 9 days? Would you rather do something every single day? I'm definitely an every single day kind of guy. So knowing that will help you in your group, in your team, in your cohort. Right now, it's May 4th, 2023, as I'm recording this. We are starting today a cohort, a group. I think we're up to 14 people. We were going to keep it at 9. And if you join us today, I think we got to talk to Karen, but I think we can get you in at that discount price. So check out below. I'll have a link below if you'd like to come and work with us for 3 months. I realize I didn't even explain what we're doing. For 3 months, we're working on your brand, on your project, on your book, on your thing, on your business. And it's getting it from your clear idea. You already have a clear idea. Ideally, you already have a business, and we're going to make that streamlined. We're going to really get everything clear in there as to what you're doing, what you're talking about, what you're offering, who your clients are, and then even create content, create design content based on your information that you can actually use in your marketing. Check it out in a lot more detail at treasure.repossible.com. It's the third option. If you're watching this a whole lot later, we'll be doing them again. We're starting today. I know, a little last minute here, but check it out. Okay, that's done with you, together with you. That's super fun. That's also my sweet spot. I love helping people. I love helping people getting done. I love helping them get started, and I love helping them finish. So come join us. And if you can't jump into this one, I'm sure we'll have more in the future. Sign up or get on the waiting list, and we'll work together in the future. Cool. That's that. All right, I'm running out of time. Done for you. And I leave only a little bit of time because this is actually my least favorite option, but it can work, right? And also think about what elements of things do you want to be done for you, right? Maybe, again, author guy that I am, YouTube guy that I am, I'm not going to have somebody write my books. I'm not going to have somebody record my videos, right? But what can be done for me that will help me do more of what I want to do or what I'm really good at, right? Like I'm terrible at accounting, right? Like bookkeeping and accounting. Well, I should have a bookkeeper, right? I spend too much time on, I don't know, graphic design junk. Like I'm a wannabe graphic designer, right? So should I call that out? Should I hire out for that and then let me focus on the stuff that I'm best at? You know, probably. And then so I do see it as a 3-step option, and I do kind of see it in chronological order, like 1, 2, 3. So start with DIY, then go for some done with you, do together with a project, together with a team. And then once you get a little smarter, get a little more clear on what you're doing, then go and do some done for you elements of your project. Because ideally with the first 2 steps, you know better what you're good at, what you're doing, what's missing, and then you can know, what can I best hire out, right? I keep hearing dogs behind me. Okay, that is done for you. And in fact, I've recently joined up with a team. It's called Amsterdam Academy Press. It is books. If you're looking to start something else, let's have a chat. But it is books, and they do everything, even ghostwriting, right? So that is an opportunity to really have it done for you. So check it out. That would be the third link below at treasure.repossible.com. So find out for more. All right, that's it for me. And by the way, scheduling, right? I keep these under 10 minutes. And so I know I'm done right now. See you next week. I'm here every week. Thanks for visiting, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.